How to trade players on FPL. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can trade players on FPL. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step you'll need to take is open up your FPL. So make sure you're logged in. Then head over to the fantasy section. Under there, you will see an option that says pick team. Tap on pick team and there we go. Now, what you can do is simply tap on a player there, then tap on substitute and simply select the player that you want to trade with. So I'll just select this one right here and there we go. And you can do the same for any other players as well, like this. And that's how you do it. And that's how easy it is as well. Thanks for watching guys. If you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified as well. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.